Attention all DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to walk you through replacing your car's windshield. It's easier than you think and you can save a ton of money. Let's get into it. Gather your tools: a cold knife, long knife, glass cleaner, windshield sealant, and your new windshield. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself. Step 1. Remove the old windshield. Start by removing your windshield wipers. Next, remove any plastic moldings around the windshield. Use your windshield removal tool to cut the adhesive. Work carefully around the edges. Push the windshield out from the inside. A friend can help catch the glass from the outside. Step 2. Prepare the frame. Clean the frame area. Remove old adhesive and clean thoroughly. Step 3. Apply the new sealant. Apply an even bead of sealant around the frame. Carefully place the new windshield into the frame. Align the bottom first, then tilt it up. Reinstall the plastic moldings and windshield wipers. Allow the sealant to cure before driving. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your windshield. Great job. With these steps, you've not only fixed your car, but also learned a valuable skill. Remember, the key to a great DIY project is patience and preparation. Until next time, keep tackling new challenges and stay handy. Like and comment below with any questions, and let me know what other DIY projects you'd like me to explain.